Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is June 10, 2018, and I know you all may be surprised at what happened in the market today, but we were not. And that's why I'm here to give you all this video today to show you that not only are we here to show you when prices are likely to move higher in the cryptocurrency space, but as well, we're here to tell you when the market looks like it's going to move lower. And if you guys were our members on our HueFin News Patreon page, you guys could have escaped from this huge downturn that occurred in the market for today. That's one of the benefits it is to be one of our members on our Patreon page, because we will alert you of when the market is telling us that it's going to move to the downside. So on the right side of the screen is when we uploaded our video, June 9th at 3:34 p.m. And on the left side, I'm going to show you what we mentioned, or what we said for IOTA and Tron, both paired against BTC. And overwhelmingly from our analysis, you guys could have seen today before it actually happened. So have a listen, look at the left side of the chart, because I'm flipping to the different time frames from what would occurred on our video yesterday. But obviously this is not a video for us to twist your arm, but more or less this is just evidence that HueFin News definitely understand what's going on in the marketplace. So we're just simply waiting on you to come join us. Because we're quite comfortable with our analysis, because we understand prior to the market movement what is likely to occur. So have a listen and look on the left side of the screen, because that is the current market action as I'm doing this video. And let's just see. So now we're taking a look at IOTA. IOTA currently is down 2.21%. That last trade was 219,100 Satoshis. And IOTA was another currency that was able to move higher in trading today. But again, we're closing towards the low of the bar. So there's not a lot of interest right now in the cryptocurrency space, along with IOTA, to where the market is closing towards the low of each of these bars. The 3-hour chart for IOTA, you can see that this is where we was able to come back up towards 230 Satoshi, and the stockpile still came into the market. And you can tell now that the market participants are trying to keep IOTA above 217,000, 220,000 Satoshis. A lot of volume came in on this 3-hour bar, and there's still some weakness here. So apparently there's still the opportunity for IOTA to continue to move lower, which is what we're going to analyze, albeit it might not be that low. It might just come back down to 218,000. But again, there's still weakness here in the market to where you would expect IOTA to move lower. This would be the third opportunity that IOTA has came to this price area and held support. So we need to see that now in order for us to move back up to higher prices, which could possibly occur, but we just have not seen that confirmation yet. So you still want to stay on the sideline until we get that confirmation, to see if we're going to get some precursors of strength around 219,000 Satoshis. Until then, expect the market to continue to move to the downside. So there you go. That's our first analysis that I'm showing you today. And we told you that IOTA is going to continue to move to the downside. So not a surprise for us of what is occurring in the market today. So now we're going to look at Tron. And it's going to be the same analysis, movement to the downside, but I want you to actually see and listen that we forecasted the market to move to the downside before it actually occurred. That's powerful. So have a listen for Tron, and I'm going to go ahead and switch this over. And y'all can see already what occurred in the market for Tron today, only if you were a member of ours on our Patreon page. So now the last one for today is going to be Tron. Tron currently is also moving lower. They're down. Well, they're breaking even right now. Last trade was 755 Satoshis. Just like with the majority of these other altcoins, Tron was able to move higher in trading early out today, but now you can see that we're back towards the low of the bar, which telling us that there's still not that much interest in higher prices. So you would expect this currency to continue to move to the downside. We've been telling you all the last couple of days that 750 needs to hold that support, and there's still some weakness here in the space. Expect the market to continue its consolidation. It has to hold 750 Satoshis in order for us to continue our consolidation. But right now, there's definitely more weakness than there is strength at this time, to where we would expect Tron to continue to move lower in price, albeit it may stay within consolidation to where 750 is support. But nevertheless, we're still looking for that currency to move a little bit lower as well.
So there you go. Even with Tron, we were seeing that there was weakness in the space, and to expect the currency to move lower. We wanted Tron to hold support at 750 Satoshis, but it did not. But nevertheless, the direction of what we said occurred today, and it was a very huge movement to the downside. And I'm just simply asking you the question, what are you waiting for? It's time for you to position yourself to be in the forefront of these market moves. And that's what we're doing. We have uploaded this video before the market actually moving lower today. You could have been saved from a huge percentage loss of around 10 to 12 to even 15% in one day if you were just a member of ours. And just for a meager $3 a month, you guys could have been in the forefront of this huge market movement to the downside. Nobody else on YouTube, or any other social media apparatus gave you that opportunity to say, look, we're looking for prices to move to the downside. We're giving you that type of information. So what you're waiting for, we're here. Go to our HueFin News Patreon page, sign up there, and you all will have access to this information. But until then, wish you all the best of luck.